Ever felt trading looks like this? Confusing, risky, overwhelming.
Too many words. I don't get it.
Most beginners lose money fast. Point: learn safe first.
There's a better way. Learn one skill at a time. Watch, quiz, practice, step by step. That's the Piplix promise. Learn, practice, and trade with confidence. Charts look like spaghetti? Let's untangle them.
Hold on. So, risk isn't about winning every trade?
Wrong? Good. That means you're learning. Every try earns XP. Keep your streak alive. That's how progress sticks. Let's test this safely. Seatbelt on.
Now I get it!
This isn't trading alone. Share what you learn, get feedback, grow together.
By the end, you'll have a plan, a risk strategy, and the confidence to trade.
Finally, someone who gets it.
Join Piplix today. First 2 months are free. Learn before you risk real money.
Yeah, this part actually matters.
Now, let's go!